to week 36 of pregnancy. I feel like I'm getting so big, and you are probably feeling the same way because your baby is about 5.73 pounds, which is the size of a Napa cabbage. The baby's organs are functioning now. They're all in the correct place. Lungs are probably mature enough for baby to breathe on their own outside the womb now. But it's always good to give them as much time as they need, which is why I'm not a fan of elective induction. If there's a medical necessity, go for it. If there's no medical necessity and you're just being impatient, or your doctor's just being impatient, wait. It's so much better for the baby. Baby has perfected the reflex of swallowing, and the fine little baby hairs, lanugo, is going away, and probably by the time they're born, they won't look all fuzzy. But don't be surprised if baby still has that fine coating of hair and the cheesy vernix coating when they come out. Mom, if you have experienced lightening, where baby has moved down and given you more room to breathe, congratulations. If not, it should happen in the next couple of weeks. If you're worried about breastfeeding, or you're wondering if you should start pumping, a lot of people have been recommending pumping ahead of time and saving some colostrum for baby. And you can. I never have. I don't feel like it's necessary. Your body produces milk right away. It takes 2 or 3 days to come in, and the colostrum that your baby gets for the first couple of days is perfect and healthy and just enough for them. You don't need to store up extra. I do, however, recommend that you get a nipple shield for the first few days of breastfeeding, especially if your baby is born with a tongue tie. It will save you from having chapped and sore nipples, and they have to get a bigger latch and open their mouths wider to latch on, and that can help them get a deeper connection and feed better. You have not yet grabbed a copy of What to Create When You're Creating, a guide to experiencing a pleasurable pregnancy and birth, you need this book. It has everything you need for prenatal care, but there's a whole chapter on postpartum care as well, and lots of tips on labor and delivery and beautiful stories of women who have experienced pleasurable or pain-free birth. So grab your book on Amazon or check it out on Audible. Affirmations for this week. I am creating a beautiful, calm, and exciting birth experience. I visualize daily my baby coming out peacefully, gently,